Hi dear friends, welcome to the live learning sessions at Narayana. And in today's assignment for grade 4, we are going to see conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that are used to join two words or more, or two or more sentences. Right, let us see how these conjunctions are used here in the exercise that is given to us in the textbook. Identify the conjunctions in each of the following sentences. Write the function they perform. Follow the example. 1. The goldsmith had to make a crown of pure gold, but he did not do honestly. Conjunction used here is but. Here, this is combining these two sentences. The goldsmith had to make a crown of pure gold. Full stop. Second sentence is he did not do it honestly. These two sentences are connected using the conjunction but here. Here, the purpose of using but is to join two different ideas. So, the conjunction here used is but, and the purpose of using that is to join two different ideas. One is the goldsmith made a crown, but the crown that was made is not of pure gold. Next, second one, the king suspected the goldsmith, so he asked Archimedes for help. Now you see, the king suspected the goldsmith. 1. He asked Archimedes for help. Here the conjunction used is so, and its function is to give a reason or explanation. The reason why he asked for help is because he suspected the goldsmith. It gives reason and explanation. Yes, next one. Archimedes found a solution, although the problem was difficult to solve. Right, you see, although is the conjunction that was used to combine Archimedes found a solution, the problem was difficult to solve. These two sentences were combined using the conjunction although. Its function here, it is to connect two different ideas. To connect two different ideas. Right. Next one. The goldsmith was punished since he had cheated. Here, since is the conjunction, and its function here is to give reason. It gives reason. Next one, Archimedes found the solution while he was taking a bath. While is the conjunction used here. While is the conjunction used here. Now, the purpose of this particular conjunction is it connects two events at the same time. And here the next one is Archimedes ran towards the palace as he shouted the word Eureka. As is the conjunction used here, and its purpose is it gives a reason or two different ideas are connected. Same, it connects two events at the same time. At the same time. Let us see the next. The second question. The king of Syracuse has received a coded letter from his minister. Help Archimedes decode the letter by matching the two parts of the sentences with the correct conjunctions. Two parts are given here. One part is the first sentence, second part is the second part of the sentence, and we are going to combine using the conjunction. First one, Your Majesty, I am writing this message to tell you that we have successfully completed our mission. Question number 2. We have safely transported the crops and other food supplies to the city of Sparta. We have successfully or we have safely transported the crops and other food supplies to the city of Sparta. Next one. The kingdom of Sparta will become our ally because of our generosity. Because of our generosity. Question number D. We will march out after the supplies are distributed to the people. We will march out after the supplies are distributed to the people. Question number E. The journey back will be tough, but we will reach Syracuse in 2 weeks. So write these sentences in your notebook so carefully. Here the space is not sufficient for me to write, but I have given you the arrows how to connect these two sentences. Your Majesty, I am writing this message to tell you that we have successfully completed our mission. We have safely transported the crops and other food supplies to the city of Sparta. The kingdom of Sparta will become our ally because of our generosity. We will march out after the supplies are distributed to the people. The journey back will be tough, but we will reach Syracuse in 2 weeks. Hope you have understood this. Stay tuned. See you all.